तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना है कि कश्मीरियों की आज़ादी की तहरीक को दहशतगर्दी से तशबीह देने के लिए भारत ओछे हथकंडे इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, जबकि खित्ते में क़याम अमन मसले कश्मीर के हल तक एक ख्वाब रहेगा। इस्लामाबाद में हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग में तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना था।
OIC Council of Ministers, Foreign Ministers, held in Abidjan, Ivory Coast, which ended yesterday. Foreign Affairs Advisor Mr. Sartaj Aziz represented Pakistan. On the sidelines of the 44th session, OIC Contact Group on Kashmir also held its meeting. In the outcome documents of the ministerial meeting and the contact group, OIC member states have strongly condemned state terrorism in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and called upon India to immediately stop the bloodshed of innocent Kashmiris. They called upon both India and international community to implement UN Security Council resolutions on Jammu and Kashmir. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders Sayyid Ali Gilani and Mir Wais Umar Farooq were not allowed by Indian occupying authorities to participate in the 44th OIC session of the Council of Foreign Ministers.
नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने ब्रीफिंग में बताया,
The 56th member of the Foreign Ministers, the Council of the Foreign Ministers, recognized Kashmir as the core issue between India and Pakistan and underscored that its resolution was a key to ensuring lasting peace and security in the region. The Council rejected Indian attempts to equate Kashmiri's indigenous movement for self-determination with terrorism. Solidarity with the oppressed Kashmiris of IOK has been expressed across the world in the form of peaceful demonstrations across the UK, Europe and North America. Kashmir disputes reflection in the UK's Labour Party's election manifesto and in the 19th January debate in the House of Commons of the United Kingdom represent increasing concern over the current unacceptable human rights situation in IOK. Killing of defenseless Kashmiris in IOK continues unabated and with impunity. During this week, the occupation forces have martyred 6 Kashmiri youth, injured 95. Detention of Hurriyat leaders continues and offering of Jummah prayers has been constantly denied.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर ख़ारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने मज़ीद कहा,
Height of atrocity is that the mourners are not allowed to attend the funerals. We condemn the continued grave human rights violations and heinous crimes committed against Kashmiris by the Indian occupation forces. Indian forces are committing unprovoked ceasefire violations at LOC, which has martyred innocent civilians, including children, in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. We strongly condemn the deliberate targeting of civilians. Today, on 13th July, Kashmiris are observing Yom Shohada to commemorate the unprecedented sacrifices rendered by Kashmiris in 1931. We pay tribute to Shohada and express solidarity with Kashmiris in their struggle against Indian unlawful occupation of their territory. We congratulate, I have been tweeting about that also, I'm just reiterating it. We congratulate world number 1 flyweight boxer Mohammad Wasim, badminton champions Irfan Saeed and Azim Sarwar, Asian snooker champion Mohammad Sajjad, Queen's Young Leaders Awardee, the winner Faizan Hussain, he's a social entrepreneur, Under 18 World Snooker Champion Naseem Akhtar, and as I congratulate them and convey our message that we feel proud of them, maybe there are more Pakistanis winning or making Pakistan proud in some part of the world. So as we learn about it, we will definitely congratulate them and inform you about through our Twitter account. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क। हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।